Operation of grease cleaner. Remove the 3 clamps. Remove the tank flange. Fold back in the outer direction around 5 centimeters of the opening of an A4 size plastic bag and insert the bag into the tank. Press the bag against the inner side of the tank so that there is no air remaining between the bag and the tank wall. Place the tank flange so that its depression is correctly positioned and clamp it onto the tank. Connect the compressed air tube to the tank. Open the air cock to start suction. Perform suction in the actual machine. Start suction. Finish cleaning by wiping lightly. Take out the collected grease. Pull out the 5 centimeter folded section. It is easy to dispose of the waste without getting your hands dirty.